absolutely amazing view. Look at this amazing view for our first morning waking up in Overture. It's absolutely beautiful. You can just hear the birds. There's not one cloud in the sky at all. And then there's some like mountains over here to look at. It's just stunning. And then I've just got up and had a coffee downstairs. Well, both have. I've just made my bed. And then this morning we're going to a spa. So I'm just going to plait my hair and then we'll be ready to go. So I'm going to take you and show you around. So we've just left the villa, just up this hill that we're walking down now. And we're going to go to the spa this morning. What's the hotel called that
it's the Ocean Blue High Class Hotel in the centre of Thessaloniki.
So yeah, that's where we're going. And we've got a half an hour massage, haven't we? A Turkish scrub, which is like a Turkish bath, and then facial as well. That'll be fun.
And a sauna.
And yeah, it looks really fun. And this is the view we've got walking down this morning. Got to look over all the mountains and everything, which is really pretty.
So downhill going anywhere.
Yeah, and then we have to walk all the way up there again on the way back. I like the balconies.
Yeah,
Doggo. Very nice. Right across from Migros. Yeah, because the reef bar's just like totally random, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sapphire. The pool area is lovely. Thank you. This one? I don't know, it's out in the lounge area. They've got a big shower as well for afterwards. And got a changing room there. This looks really nice, isn't it? They've got like fire and stuff. That's really pretty. Got some free slippers. And a towel. Oh, the sinks are pretty. So we just come for this place in, is this Hitorano? It is, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, for dinner after our massage. And then we've got the view of Blackview town down here. And then this is what it looks like inside, which is nice. And we've got the flags up for the football. This looks delicious. And then they've got loads of cocktails as well. I want a daiquiri. Got a strawberry daiquiri and Mum got a purple rain, which looks nice. Looks so good. Just got our chicken wraps. They look really nice. Come with chips as well. It's got like tomato and salad and everything in. Did you want to go and get some lemon Fanta? Up here?
Unless you fancy walking back.
Can we get some lemon Fanta?
It's like a scary shark off Nemo.
Oh, it does, doesn't it? It's the most terrifying like carnival I've ever seen.
You know when people show pictures like the abandoned fairground at Chernobyl?
Yeah, it looks like it does. It's terrifying. We're just walking back home now after our spa morning. That was really nice. It was £50, was it?
Yes.
For a Turkish bath.
For both.
Yeah, for both of us. And they basically just scrub you down. We're using like scrubby hand mitts, and then pour bubbles over you and give you like a pre-massage. And then we went out and chilled out for a bit, and then we had our actual massage. And then after that they brought us some apple tea, which is like a Turkish traditional drink. And then we just went to that place for dinner and got some chicken wraps, and they were really yummy, like smoky from the charcoal. And then this is just a beautiful view we've got to walk home with.
Luckily we're not at the top of the house.
I know, it's a bit uphill, but we're fine. And we're going to stop at Asda and get some ice creams on the way back as well. Oh, look at them.
What do you think goes in that basket in the tree?
I don't know. Ah. I'm glad I've seen some. There's one there as well. Oh, little baby goats. There's loads.
Oh, babies. Hello, goblins.
Oh. Come to Asda on our hunt for Fanta Lemon. Actually, they've got some. It's huge. I've only got it in tiny bottles, look. I'm going to get myself a can of that. There's loads coming off. Oh, what are they doing?
Say that again.
People, I said there's people running. Oh yeah, here's where we're gonna go tomorrow, isn't it, for our boat trip? Over there, and then this is just like the main road where a lot of the restaurants and bars are. It's so pretty. The sun is beautifully setting, and there's loads of paragliders up there as well coming in, and they land along here as well, so you have to be careful not to get hit by them. I remember this place with all the grapes hanging up.
Yeah.
I think. Has it got grapes?
Is that where it used to be?
Yes, I think so.
The puzzle shuffled along.
This what?
The puzzle shuffled along.
Yes.
We're going to take that tree with us then.
Oh gosh, came down at some speed then.
I literally thought we were going to take the tree out.
So the cocktail list is bigger than the actual menu. There's so many. Gin cocktails, fish bowls, and thousands of them.
Rainbow fish bowls, they're like 30 quid.
They're 30 quid? So how much does this work out at? About £10?
About £12?
£12. So we're going to go for the pink lemonade sangria, right?
Yes.
And then this is the view that we've got with the sun setting behind us. And the doggies on the beach. Or lamb? Beef?
That's all 3 of them.
So we just got our jug of sangria, and this looks delicious. It's got fresh orange, lemon and kiwi in. It's got like lemonade and everything as well, which looks delicious.
Bekle abicim.
Sorry?
Bir tane bıçak yedim buraya.
Just heading into some of the Turkish shops. That bar there looks really nice, the one with the roof terrace. Hello!
Hello, meowie.
Oh, you're cute. Boy.
Can you fit in my bag? Come on. Oh.
You're pretty. Hello. Look at all the isn't it what is it? I love the lights.
I'll just do the rainbow coloured ones.
So we've just finished having cocktails and food and everything. I'm just waiting for Mum, she's just going to go to that. But our night has ended. We're just going to get a taxi back to the villa because the road that we are on is so dark. But yeah, we just had amazing cocktails. I think I took a video of all of the restaurants we went to, so you'll see that. And then, yeah, and then tomorrow we're going on a boat trip. So these are the boats all lined up here, and I think ours is one like down this area. But it's been absolutely lovely, and it's still really warm. I think this is where we went to the terrace lounge, but it's not actually picking up on the sign because it's too bright.
Signs say too late.
Okay.